Nowadays, environmental problems are too big to be managed by individual persons or individual countries. In other words, it is an international problem. To what extent do you agree or disagree? People claim that environmental issues have become too vast for individual persons or single countries to handle, suggesting that these are international problems requiring a global response. I would argue that global cooperation is indeed essential to effectively address these challenges. There might be several reasons why environmental problems require international collaboration. This means that issues like climate change, ozone layer depletion, deforestation, and ocean pollution transcend national boundaries and impact every nation regardless of their individual contributions. There might be several reasons why environmental problems require international collaboration. This means that issues like climate change, ozone layer depletion, deforestation, and ocean pollution transcend national boundaries and impact every nation regardless of their individual contributions. For instance, carbon emissions from industrialized countries contribute to global warming, leading to rising sea levels, melting polar ice caps, and extreme weather events worldwide. Additionally, pollutants released into the ocean can harm marine life, affecting fisheries and economies in distant nations that rely heavily on seafood and tourism. Despite the arguments mentioned above, some believe individuals' actions and national policies are sufficient to combat environmental issues. In other words, they think that if each person and country takes responsibility for their own environmental impact, problems can be resolved independently. However, this perspective overlooks the scale and interconnectedness of these issues, as actions in one country can have far reaching effects elsewhere. Such limitations highlight the necessity for a collective approach, as only through international cooperation can we implement comprehensive strategies like the Paris Climate Accord. In conclusion, while individual efforts and national policies are important and should not be neglected, environmental problems are indeed too extensive and complex for them to tackle alone. I firmly believe that addressing environmental issues requires an international effort, and global cooperation is crucial to achieve meaningful and lasting solutions that benefit all nations.